The Precinct 4 Constable's office, it was discovered, had thrown out a bunch of evidence in not just one drug case, but multiple drug cases. And it comes out that possibly hundreds of cases, not just drug cases, but other cases, could be affected by the destruction of evidence in Precinct 4. And so it looks like there is a criminal investigation going on, or at least some sort of investigation. I can't say whether it's criminal or not, although I've heard that word mentioned. But the interesting thing is, in all fairness, last week, Paul Morgan and Emily DeToto, who were on the verge of trying a case, got it dismissed because of the destruction of evidence. Paul came on. He was pretty hard on Justin Kiter, the prosecutor in his case. And in all fairness, we attempted to contact Justin to come on the show to respond to Paul's allegations last week. Justin wanted to come on the show. He told Julio he wanted to come on, but I don't think, and frankly, I don't fault them for doing this. If there is an investigation, I don't think the office gave him permission to come on the show. So, you know, I think in all fairness, people should know that Justin wanted to come on the show, talk about this, talk about his position, and we attempted to get him on the show. He wanted to, but just he couldn't do it. And frankly, I mean, I understand that, guys. If there's a criminal investigation or any type of internal investigation even going on, I find it really remote that anybody from the DA's office, the constable's office, you know, or anybody within the law enforcement community is going to want to go on record and talk about a pending investigation into this stuff.
Yeah, no, they're not going to. And I don't blame Justin for not being able to come on either. It would not be wise. We would each tell any of our own clients, do not go and discuss this while there's a pending investigation. And whether that investigation involves him or not, it's just not something to be talked about. But as I understand it, the investigation right now is focusing on what really happened over at Precinct 4. What I've heard sort of, and I don't know exactly where it's coming from, but what I've heard is that there was a clerk or an officer or somebody in charge of the property room that said, gee, this place is a little too full. We should clean it out, and started disposing of items.
Like it's your garage.
Right. Yeah, sort of like cleaning out the garage. Yeah. But instead of ordering the, you know, the storage unit and putting it in there, we just tossed it
out
in the
trash.
Dumpster. I don't know. Let's hope they didn't just end up in the trash. But apparently lots of items, drugs included, were disposed of.